Bachacadas are a staple in samba. In this combo video, you will learn 3 variations: hip rocks, slow bachacadas, and the quick bachacadas. The hip rocks. This movement will include 2 major movements. First is a pelvic tilt and the hip circles. Now, prepare yourself. It doesn't matter which leg you will pick. It can be right or left leg. Anyways, we're gonna do both. So in my case, it's the right leg. Left leg on the ball of the foot. It's not a high toes, it's a ball. So then you can really feel the body weight transferring from foot to foot. Now, we're gonna start with the pelvic tilt first and make sure that you create this pelvic tilt action through your standing leg, through your foot and your knee, to create a bigger range of movement in your hips. So if you just create it through your hips, you will not feel that soft and smooth. So activate your standing foot and your knee to create the bigger movement. And now make a circle and return on your back leg. Again, pelvic tilt, circle, return. Pelvic tilt, circle, return. Let's try, and I will show you from the back so you can follow me. Pick the one leg. I'm on my right leg. And pelvic tilt, circle, return. Pelvic tilt, circle, return. Pelvic tilt, circle, return. Now, all together, we will have 4 counts for one leg, 4 counts for another leg. We're gonna start on our right leg, and for 4 counts, we will have a hip action. 1, 2,